How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's show you the best ASUS TUF gaming monitor settings basically for gaming. So before we head over to our tutorial, you want to make sure that you have switched your refresh rate on the Windows display setting. Navigate through the bottom corner and then head over to the advanced display setting. From there, you just want to make sure that the refresh rate is selected to the highest number possible. The higher the value, the better, and also enable to make sure that your display supports this value. You want to make sure that you are using the display port on your system. From there, head over to the OSD joystick or controls in your ASUS TUF gaming monitor. Of course, there's going to be different controls for different models, but most likely it's going to be under your monitor, at the side of the monitor, or the back of it with the joystick. So let's then apply this settings right here. Once again, the refresh rate is going to be the max value possible. For the adaptive sync or the FreeSync G-Sync, you want to turn this on. And for game visual mode, you want to select something like racing mode, which has the best overall colors or gaming visual, and for FPS mode for competitive gaming. From there, for performance tweaks, you want to apply overdrive at around 60 to 80, ELMB or the motion blur reduction at on. It's optional but for FPS only. And for shadow boost, you want to set this to level 1 or 2. That will simply enhance our visuals on those dark areas. For the display setting, you want to use brightness at 70. Generally, you want to play between 50, 70 or more, but you want to avoid those high brightness, especially on longer gaming sessions, in order to avoid eye strains. For contrast, you want to play around 50 or 75. Color temperature warm or normal. And the last one, you can just turn off the HDR and the extra sharpening or filters on your monitor. And basically from there, you're all set. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.